What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to give a review on Sqribble. Sqribble, okay? But before I get into the review, if you like make money online videos and content, and if you like, to give product reviews on the latest products and softwares that have come out that promise to make you money online, if you also want to learn about the latest and greatest strategies on building a sustainable online business, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, okay guys, because I'm coming up with consistent content teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, okay? I'm also coming up with content with product reviews, with the best products and not so great products, as well as show you how I'm creating my life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, at the same time trying to help you do the same, okay? So I'm just honest, legit, and just being open, okay? So don't forget, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, okay? So let's get into Sqribble. Okay, so I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you've already heard of Sqribble. But basically, Sqribble is basically a ebook generating software. Okay, so with Sqribble, if you want to create an ebook for whatever topic, niche, whatever category that you want to create an ebook in, Sqribble basically is a software that helps you create an ebook like within the snap of your fingers, okay? It's a software that shows you step by step how to create the ebook. It has specific, unique, and top of the line templates and designs to make your ebook look wonderful and like it's on the top in the market, or it's one of the greatest in the market. It also, puts together the illustrations, the formatting, everything. It also publishes it for you, and you can also with Sqribble, I'll get down later with everything. A list. It shows a list of everything that comes with the program, but it also has a way or the option for you to get in contact with agencies, right? So not only can you make your own ebook, but you can also make ebook for clients. And Sqribble within the software, it also links you up with clients who need ebooks or who need content for their business, okay? So first off, why would you need an ebook? If you're on the online, make money online or internet marketing space, you know that in order to collect leads, in order to, appeal to your audience and your customers, you want to have like a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that would get a customer or get someone to give you their email and give you their name, something for free. So what you could do is you can build an ebook with Sqribble, like within an hour, if that. And when you build your page with ClickFunnels or whatever your capture page is, you'll promise this free ebook to them on whatever topic. If they put the email address in their name, and then they're your lead. You have their email address and whatever to, email them offers and email them free content constantly, right? So having an ebook or report or white paper or what have you is essential, and Sqribble will help you get there, okay? So let's go over Sqribble, okay? This is their sales page. So with Sqribble, they promise ebooks on demand. They have 50 hot templates, 300 style layouts, unlimited pages. So you can write an ebook with thousands of pages no matter what. You sell to clients, which I was talking about earlier, which is also the agency website. These two go hand in hand. You get linked to this agency website, which links you to clients who who might need ebooks, and you can create ebooks consistently with Sqribble and for however many clients that you want to, and you can charge a really good price because the Sqribble layout and the Sqribble quality is great, but it's easy to use. It's very friendly, user friendly, easy to step by step and to go through the software and to go through setting your ebook up. 15 niche categories, auto content writer. So this is a big one. A lot of times people don't want to spend hours and hours writing content for this ebook. So what Sqribble does, it connects you with articles online. You can go within the software and you can type in a specific category. Let's say you want to do how to write an ebook, or let's say you want to do how to grow your Instagram account or your Twitter account, or how to shoot a free throw, or whatever, you can go on within the software, within Sqribble, type in that category, and Sqribble will automatically generate a article or report, content for you based on what's already out there online. And it also will spin that content that's already out there online to make it unique to you, right? So you're not plagiarizing, or so that you're not stealing somebody else's content, which is plagiarizing. So Sqribble also has that. That's a big plus because a lot of people don't want to write content. So I think that is really key there. But you can also write your own content. You can also, like, if you have things, your ebook already saved or your report already saved, white paper already saved on Word document, etc., you can always copy and paste it into the format that Sqribble has already generated with that template that you've chosen. Okay, so this is Sqribble. Let's go down. It's easy to use, stunning designs, 60-second creation, so you can create your ebook within 60 seconds. I mean, depending on what kind of content you're using, whether you're using their automated content that you get from online, or you're using or having to type your own, up to you. Instant content and commercial license. So the commercial license is going back up here to the clients that you can sell. You can sell to clients. So you also get the license to sell the Sqribble, not sell Sqribble, but to use Sqribble to sell to clients, right? You can use Sqribble to create ebooks to sell to clients, right? And then the agency website to help you impress clients and lock them in. So this is I'll leave a link in the description for Sqribble. Go ahead and check that out, and you can look at these videos. This gives a step-by-step tutorial in the back office on someone creating an ebook instantly. So that's very helpful there. So let's keep going down here. So with creating an ebook, sometimes it takes a long time. It takes a long time to write the content, to design the cover, the table of contents, the back cover, the illustrations for each page for the content, the numbering, the editing, everything. It takes a long time. So instead of spending hours doing that, or waiting for a designer, or spending a lot of money for a designer and copywriters, etc., use Sqribble. Use Sqribble, and you can save you a lot of time and a lot of money, and you'll have top of the line quality for your ebook or whatever you're using it for. Okay. Another thing is that Sqribble, there's no installation required. You can go on Sqribble.com. It's basically all internet based. You don't have to install some kind of software on your computer. It's all internet based. You can use this your home computer or any computer you're using. Okay. Let me turn this light down. Okay. So no installation required. You can get Sqribble, and it's compatible with all computers. Okay. So the writing, designing, formatting. It's three simple steps. You pick your template. Then after you pick your template, you get your content, whether you already have your content written, or you can go online through the software and type in a specific category, and then Sqribble will basically integrate that content into your ebook and flip it, or you can upload your own Word file, and Sqribble will basically automatically extract the content from the document and put it straight into your ebook. Or you can go ahead and just type it in, and Sqribble yourself, just like anything else, any other Word document. And then you customize and you publish it, hit generate, and done. That's it. And that's all you have to do. And you have your ebook that you can use for your own business or use to sell for clients. Look at this one. This is a ebook that someone created. It's just really, really nice. His photos on there, nice cover, very eye-catching. It's good. It is really good. Okay. So let's see, what else does Sqribble have before I give you the price? Automatic content, headers and footers with the themes and layouts, page numbering, drag and drop technology. So it's a very user-friendly software, unlimited pages, design elements. So Sqribble, let's go into the price. How much is Sqribble? Sqribble right now during the launch is basically $47. Let's go. Of course, they have it throughout the whole thing. $47. Okay. Of course, you get this is what it's worth, $1,691. But for the launch, you're getting it for $47 today. Okay. I don't know this. I guess it's 12 hours, and you get the $2.99 coupon. Just type in alien. Okay. But after the launch, 97% discount is gone. It'll be $197. So I don't know how long this $47 will be in effect. So make sure, you know, if you want to get this program, get it while it's hot. Get it while it's on discount, while it's still in the launching phase. Okay, because after which, this one, it might jump up to $197. This is a one-time payment, $197. And of course, there are upsells within the program. And then there's a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. So you can, you know, pay the $47 now, and if you don't like it within 30 days, you know, get your money back. So here's the creator, Adil Kaldry. I haven't heard of him, but, you know, do your research on him. I can do my research also. And then his business partner, Ali, this is his brother, I'm assuming. So yeah, guys, that's it. This Sqribble looks like a really good software, really good product that I would buy, and I probably will buy. I'm going to buy this product and going to use it, and I'll, you know, after I use it and make my own ebook, just test it out. I'll show that to you. But I just wanted to give this review, quick review out there to you guys, to my audience, and to any YouTube viewers, just to let you know that this is out here, and this is a really legit and easy to use product that I would grab today. So go and look in the link in the description, and you'll see Sqribble. Go check it out yourself. And if you decide to purchase, you know, make sure you use the code ALIEN to get the $2.99 off coupon. So $2.99 off of the $47. Okay. So check out the link in the description right below this video, and check Sqribble out today, guys. Okay. Don't wait, because you might have to pay this $197 if you do. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video also in this channel and what it's about, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I come out with a new video, new product review, new latest and greatest strategy on making money online and creating a sustainable online business to make passive income. You don't want to miss out, and I don't want you to miss out. Okay. Also, comment below. Comment below if you are using Sqribble already and have seen some good results from it, and what you think about the program. Okay, guys. Also, comment below what you want to see. What kind of content do you want to see? What kind of questions are out there and on your head, on your mind, that is not being served to you already in this make money online internet marketing space? Okay. So that's Sqribble. That's my channel spiel. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.